Let me show you how to install Samsung Music application on your Samsung S26 and S26 Ultra. So first what you want to do is you want to swipe up and go in your Samsung folder and search for the Samsung Store. So not the Play Store but Samsung Store. And then in the search you simply enter here Samsung Music. Okay, and click this download. Let's wait for it to download. Okay, and we can open it up. So yep, allow the permissions to access the music files on your phone. And as you see, you will have your playlist songs here, for example, something even from Spotify, if you prefer, and also any music that you have internally, basically as well, on your phone, for example. So you can play it here. And again, in my opinion, this is much better player than the default one you get on these phones. Okay, good luck.